a story of a man from Offaly.
All voted for Burcown, now he's a member of the Dawn.
A man who liked a song.
He was always too high, we're starting it.
A man who got all the way to the top.
Leader of the party, Taoiseach of the country.
Only to find it was all completely
The worst global recession in our lifetime.
So he went to Galway and had a couple of pints.
The implementation, in many respects, of the Good Friday the Croke Park Agreement.
The motion picture event of the year, with an all-star cast.
The issue of the leadership does not arise at present, and there is no vacancy as well.
Bela Lugosi plays Brian Linehan.
You certainly expect somebody to be able to communicate properly.
Meryl Streep is Mary Hannafin.
Fine, they want to enjoy themselves. Everyone was involved in an exuberance.
Meg Ryan as Mary Coughlin.
The Taoiseach is a big boy, he's well able to handle himself.
George Clooney plays Noel Dempsey.
A side issue which, to be honest, isn't true.
Bruce Willis is Dermot Ahern.
Well, this is not good.
Andy Garcia as Micheál Martin.
You're not acting at all.
William Shatner as Eamon Gilmore.
Fine Gael obviously.
Steve Martin as Enda Kenny.
See, I was the most devious cunning of them all.
Jack Nicholson as Bertie, and Brian Cowan played by Philip Seymour Hoffman in the most challenging role of his life.
There has been an economic tsunami that has hit this country worse than it's hit others. That's true.
Also featuring Anthony Hopkins as the voice of Charles J. Haughey.
I have done the state some service. They know it.
The story of a man who defied an electorate.
The substance of what I have to say, I stand over.
No less than a call to patriotic action.
There's not a politician who hasn't thought about being Taoiseach.
We're so low right now, everything's been taken from us.
I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore.
I apologise for my voice.
Like if Lehman's didn't collapse.
No, there's no risk.
That wouldn't be my style.
Cowan Town. Rated 18.
Mind yourself.